Hi, I'm CJ Hamilton. I'm the electrical safety trainer for the electrical safety awareness class. I've been an electrician for 40 years. I'm a fourth generation electrician. We've been putting on this electrical safety awareness class for about 3 years now, and we've trained over 6,000 first responders. In the electrical safety awareness class, there's 3 main things that we train on: down power lines, the Faraday cage, and arc flash, arc glass. First thing we're going to talk about is down power lines. When we're talking about down power lines, the number one thing we want to talk about is what happens when a power line, high voltage line, hits the ground. How far does it travel? Where do we got to be safe? These are the questions that come up in our classes, and this is the things that we're going to talk about. Second thing we talk about is what happens when a high voltage line hits a car, is laying a car at a scene. We talk about what we can do to keep ourselves safe and keep the victim safe. The big thing we talk about also is the auto reloaders. Those are very dangerous. We talk about how they work, why they do what they do, and why the auto reloaders are there. The next thing we're going to talk about is the Faraday cage. The Faraday cage is when electricity jumps on your body and you can't see it, touch it, taste it, or smell it unless you discharge yourself or go to ground. That's when you have yourself a problem. In the class, we show you how to recognize the Faraday cage, how to deal with the Faraday cage, and how to avoid injury. The next thing we're going to talk about is arc flash and arc glass. This is one of the most dangerous things that a first responder could encounter. It moves at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second. It burns 3.5 times hotter than the face of the sun at 35,000 degrees. And when it blows up with enough power that equals 8 sticks of dynamite. And you're around it every day. If you're interested in booking a class or you have any questions, feel free to contact me. This class is brought to you by NECA, the National Electrical Contractors Association, and IBEW, the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers.